Hello my lovely people, I hope you guys doing well and safe. As I committed before, I will come up with more exciting content. So here I am ready with a brand new series which called Paint With Me. Under this series, I will try various kinds of paintings like face paintings, watercolor paintings and other forms of paintings, and a surprise element is along with the motivational stories. But before begin the process, if you guys first time landed on this channel, hi, my name is Shivangi and by profession I'm a fashion designer and illustrator. If you know, then now without any doubt press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for latest updates and fun videos. So without any delay, let's get the ball rolling. As always, I prepared a sketch. Now it's time to paint, so enjoy the process along with the story of British literature queen J.K. Rowling, famed by her absolute known best ever creation, the Harry Potter series. While painting, we will go through some page of her success story. I am sure the most of you have heard of the Harry Potter series unless you have been living under a rock. However, I am pretty sure that most of you have heard of J.K. Rowling. If you are wondering who is she, let me allow to tell you, she is the woman who created the most successful best-selling series in history. Everything about this incredible woman is inspirational and extraordinary. Rowling might be one of the most exciting success story, but it was not all copacetic. Not many know what exactly went behind the curtains and what she went through in her life before she reached stardom. I would say her personal story is a perfect example of that quote. The real success comes after a string of failures. It won't be wrong. That's exactly what happened with Rowling. Her personal life was in bedlam, making every day troublesome for her, but she never loses hope. During one fine morning in 1990, when she was traveling on the train from Manchester to London, she formed the entire story from an idea and started developing the story of Harry Potter on that journey. Unfortunately, her mother died later that year, which halted her writing process for some time. But her life had different plans. When she moved to Portugal in 1992 to teach English as a foreign language, she met a man, married him, and had a daughter. A year later, she parted ways with her husband and filed for a divorce in 1993. This was the turning point of her life when she, along with her infant daughter, moved to Edinburgh, Scotland, to be near her sister, with 3 chapters of Harry Potter in her suitcase. It was the most devastating period of Rowling's life, where she was divorced, jobless, and a single mother of an infant. She faced severe bouts of depression, but she persevered. When life was dark and gloomy, she found the light at the end of a tunnel, always pushing through the trials and tribulations life would throw at her. She faced many rejections and failures in her life. 1995, that year, defined Rowling's life in so many ways, not 1 or 2 or 5. Around 12 major publications rejected the Harry Potter script. She was shattered but not defeated. She kept approaching other publications and her effort bore fruit. A small publishing house accepted to publish the book and only 1,000 copies were published. Soon after, things changed when the books won prestigious awards such as Nestle Smarties Book Prize and British Award for Children's Book of the Year. As 2013, the book has sold more than 500 million copies worldwide, and it has been translated into 73 languages. Can you believe that? The one who got rejected in their initial stage, not one or two, but from 12 major publication houses. But later it awarded by the bestseller book of the year and translated into 73 languages. It should be noted that if she had lost her hope and her wish on herself, then how she breaks all the records later. So if you believe in yourself, keep chasing your dreams. No one can stop you to become a successful person. Always remember one thing: there are a few people who have that courage to pursue their dreams. So be a part of some of the few ones. If I try to tell you this story from an inspirational point of view, there are many great things to learn. First thing I learned from that: do what you like to do, because when you do what you like to do, you put your full efforts and attention in that work with a pure spirit which you have chosen for yourself. This feeling communicates a positive spirit in you, due to which you cross all the obstacles and just move towards your goal. The key here is that if you do something you love, you will enjoy working on it and you will work harder because you deeply care about it. The most important thing is that you are passionate about it, so its causes will make you happy. The second most important thing is that if you believe in yourself, no matter what happens, no matter how many times you are rejected, no matter how many times you are turned down, just be yourself and remain on your work, and one day everything will turn in your favor and the whole world will be witness to that reward. In the deep down, this story teaches us always follow our instincts. Once you have a good idea, don't give it up. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishing houses, but she never gave up. Life and work are full of challenges. Don't give them leverage to dominate you. Always try to focus on the solution in a way to make it work and persevere. Maintain the consistency and stay focused on what you want to do. As you heard previously, it took Rowling 5 years to complete the rest of the book and to get published, because she believed in her ability, that what she is doing is incredible, and whenever this would be published, everyone will enjoy reading this. That is the only reason she kept moving towards her goal, overcoming all difficulties that come in her way. The most important thing I learned from her story: to stay focused and maintain the consistency. As you all know, Rowling took 5 years to write her book and get published. At the same time, she kept meeting with many publishers and she narrates her script, which proves she keep trying, because consistency is the key to success. Now, how many people are there among us who keep trying continuously for what they want to do? I think some of you. But the main thing is here to stay focused. Don't let any insignificant things lose your focus. Bloomsbury was the small publisher who published Rowling's first book. Suggested she get a day job because she had a little chance of making money in children's book. Then she used her optimistic instincts. As I mentioned before, she kept her eye on the prize and does not let that disappoint. Every Harry Potter book has broken sales records. Here I would like to say one thing, that we do not know anyone more than ourselves, and we have to know our worth ourselves. No one else tell us about us. There will be very few of us who become successful immediately, but this happens very rarely. Like Rowling, we don't necessarily have to be successful in our first attempt. So you have to be patient and remain faith on your work. Don't be harsh with yourself. If I would say to start something new is always a difficult task, and taking a first step is more difficult than anything in this world, so it won't be a wrong. But we must try and try after one the other. Keep working on it, and the day will come. You will be successful in that work. But till then, we keep moving towards our goal with full positive energy. Sometimes we keep rejected, even everything is fine, because it may not be that chance. We deserve more than that, and we keep going back and forth till then we come out of our comfort zone, and until start taking actions according to the big plan. If this is happening to you as well, then understand that your life is being dedicated for some big purpose. You need to pay attention to that limit. But the most interesting part of this journey, you will also meet some critics who will repeatedly question on your abilities. But you don't need to be afraid of them, because these harsh criticism will only encourage you to move forward. Some people lose their hope and confidence, but for some people it works as a power booster. At least in my case, it is work like this. You guys tell me in the comment box below who you are. Those who blow calmly in the wind, or those who make their own ways for their dreams by tearing the difficulties. Don't forget to comment below. If the spirit of enthusiasm has been promoted in you, this is the sole purpose of making this video. All of you have get excited by listening her story and start again with a new zeal. So I am going to end this video with these beautiful lines. Why every day 100 new hopes are born, which also marks the beginning of new era. And the hope is the ray that motivates us to move forward. So keep moving forward and learn from our mistakes and failures. I will meet you in a next video with another interesting story. Till then, share your love and stay tuned with me, and stay focused and motivated. Bye bye.